All right, so here I have paint box yarns. It's cotton DK. It's 100% cotton, and it's pale lilac. This dishcloth, oh, and look, it's coming from the outside. Let's just get rid of this then. So, same G size hook. I'm going to chain 33. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. And this is actually a 3 lightweight. So it's lighter than what I have been using. So second one from the hook, half double. Down this row, and I'll be right back. All right, so I am almost to the end of the row with the half doubles. We are still going to chain 1 and turn. And now we're going to half double back loop only. So I'm grabbing just the back loop. Grabbing just the back loop. See how it's doing this up here? But I'm only grabbing the back loop. So continue that on for this row. All right, so here I have been grabbing just the back loop. On the back side, it's different. It doesn't have the line going across. So let's continue and finish this row. Chain 1, turn, and we're going to do the same thing, back loop only, half double back loop. So now it's bringing the line up front, or on this side, and not on that side. So continue the stitch along. So here we have the back loop half double dishcloth. So when I flip it over, you can see that it has the ridge for each row. So half double, round, go through the back loop, grab, pull through 1, grab, pull through 3, go through, then to the end, chain 1 and turn. Continue with this pattern for a little bit, and then I will be back. Thank you.